Kilarigbo TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
Commodore, spirit of answered prayers. Commodore, original romantic shinabo, spirit of answered prayers, spirit of celebration. Shaman gbogbo shinapu ni, àdúrà ti gbà ká ṣàmì. Commodore na the symbol of blessing.
Please join me as we present the repackaged Commodore aromatic shinap.
Commodore, original aromatic shinabo, spirit of answer prayers, spirit of celebration. Commodore, original aromatic shinabo, the spirit of answer prayers, spirit of celebration. Commodore, now be the spirit of taking over. Commodore, now be the spirit of answered prayers. Commodore, now the brand where they take person to greater level. Original, aromatic, shinapu for greater success. Commodore, original, aromatic, shinapu.
What you are seeing today is, if it's super packaging, it's an improvement over what we used to have in terms of content and the presentation.
Spirit of celebration.
A fi ṣe àdúrà nìkan tí ẹ jẹ́ pé ìyẹn jẹ́ gbòógì tí ọ̀dọ́ yẹn o lè ṣe o lè lò fún ayẹyẹ ẹ ń ṣe ọjọ́ ìbí ẹ ń ṣe kó mọ́ ẹ ń ṣílé ẹ kàn jókòó àpèjẹ ìwà àtàwọn ọ̀rẹ́ o lè fi ṣe kọ́tọ́ pè ní mixture.
Commodore, the spirit of answered prayers, the spirit of celebration.
Commodore, original aromatic schnapps from Intercontinental Distillers Limited, house of premium brand.
Thank you and God.
Commodore 75CA.
Commodore aromatic schnapp is one of the best schnapp in town.
And I have no doubt that consumers as well, they are waiting to have a glimpse and taste of the new Commodore.
We will sweep the market now.
And it will sell more. chosen. Because your being here shows that you have a taste for what is good.
Yes, we all know that life is a union of elements. Yes, life begins with the union of souls. Therefore, let us begin our story with the union of two good heads. The marriage between a young man of substance and a lady of equal background and status. Let the wedding begin!
go look now. When breeze blow, grass go dance. Goat no dey catch fish inside water. Una bird no go get shuku-shuku. Una house no go pepper una. When breeze blow, grass go dance. That thing wey dey make grass dey siam for where cat dey no go enter una head. Una money go fresh. Una food go balm. And una evening go sweet. People go talk say darkness no dey stay for where light dey reign. Share butter must melt when sun touch am. Una enemies don turn to egg, and una too don strong like God. This marriage go sweet for una, and una go sweet for us o.
After the day comes the night, and after every storm comes calmness. The dry earth, watered by the rain from above, surely must bring forth life.
The wedding has come and gone, and the marriage has been on for a while. But the couple is yet to be blessed in the fruits of the womb.
prayers are made and prayers are answered. A closed mouth, they say, is a closed destiny.
Yes, prayers are conveyed through affirmative powers.
And the veritable vessel of conveyance is Commodore aromatic schnapps.
But before we reveal the confirmation of the inherent power of Commodore aromatic schnapps, let us take a visit to the northern part of our land.
And so it is that prayers made with Commodore aromatic schnapps has been answered by the Almighty.
The couple has been blessed. Yes, the wife has been blessed with the fruit of the womb.
Guess what? She has delivered safely a set of bouncing baby twins. Gratitude is an offering that must be given when a favor has been received.
The couple has been blessed, yes, and they are happy. And for this, a celebration is in order.
Yes. For this, let us go to the eastern part of our land and experience the dance of victory. Hey!
The time is here. Still, in the spirit of celebration for answered prayers, something historic is about to happen. To perform this spiritual duty, join us as we welcome on stage the Managing Director of Intercontinental Distillers Limited, Chief Engineer Patrick Anebe. Joining the Managing Director on stage, His Royal Majesty, Oba Alayelua Abdulkadir Adewale Shotobi, the Ayoburi of Ikorodu Kingdom. Your Tiara One of Budi. And also, one of Nollywood's finest actors, Yomi Fash.
Our royal fathers, ladies and gentlemen, we unveil the new phase of answered prayers. Please join me as we present the repackaged Commodore aromatic shinap.
ìbà àwọn tó solé ayé ró, ìbà àwọn ọ̀yá àwọn àṣòǹgà, èmi Gàdúrà Adéwálé Sótò tí mo ti ọba tí mo ti kọ́ba mi. Èmi Kàbírù Adéwálé Sótò mi ni mò ń ṣàdúrà fún yín wípé ibi ayọ̀, ibi ìdùnnú wọ́n ti máa ń gbọ́ sí jáde. Ìdùnnú àwọlé tọ̀ yín wá. Onídùnnú àwọlé tọ̀ yín wá. Ẹ̀rí bá ti ṣe ẹ̀rọ náà gbọ́gbà. Adá ọkọ̀wọ́ ní bọ́sẹ̀nà náà yìí. Mo ní bàtà ọkọ̀wọ́ ní bọ́sẹ̀nà náà yìí. Èyí tí a gbọ́gbọ́ lọ gbọ́gbọ́. Èyí tí a gbọ́gbà lọ gbàgbà. Ó sọ pé ẹni ìdílákọ̀ọ́kẹ́. Èyí tí mo wílé ní àrà á lọ̀mọ́. Ẹ máa ta ẹyin distributọ̀ fún wa. Ẹ máa ta. Ẹ̀rí bá ti ṣe ẹ̀rọ náà gbẹ́gbà. Kàràkọ́rọ̀ fi wú o. Kẹ̀kẹ́ lọ sí lọ́sọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀ ìbànújẹ́. gbàládùúrà fún yín eléyìí ò ní jáde mọ́ fún yín. My MD, my engineer, may God bless you. My royal brother, God bless you. Yomi, ọlọ́run á dùn ẹnu, wà á rí bá ti ṣe, wà á rọ́nà gbégbà, olórí kàdé òní kún ẹ lọ́wọ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe máa rí nìyẹn. All the executives, all the engineers, all members of International Distillers Limited. I was once an engineer, I am still an engineer, and I worked in Portland Cement for 25 years before I retired. I am a factory engineer. And I know the process of manufacturing. I'm an electrical engineer. And we work it out. The kilowatts of electricity to produce a bag of cement. It is a challenge. When the company gives us a standard to meet, then the factory, the management, we work it out to supersede the demand and the request. And I'm urging you engineers, you marketers, Intercontinental Distillers Limited, please don't disappoint those that establish the company. We know the cost of living, the cost of production. We know the demand we are facing in Nigeria today, but we can still salvage it. We don't have any other country to go. Intercontinental will not move to Ghana. We will remain in Nigeria and perform wonderfully well. May God bless you. May God bless you. Ultimately, if you are your know, if you are your nothing got to that you. And you are wallet on you out. If you are wallet on you out, it's moving in our more. May God bless you as you have come. Thank you and God bless you.
IDL. Only maybe an important the card of the Rambuisha. The Ranibo, and the IDL, and how poor man they have a little money there. With the lonely, with the number, with the number. You all know me, Akamba, and Charlie. I got a little lama, that's the only man, and go down. I got a also. To go to Abiyama. And I say that the idea and the Papa was that. Getting I event, and I will not think from the Apollo, or I will to arrive, now to go to Abiyama. I will try to do all that, and all that will be now to go to Abiyama.
Alright, please, can we come closer for a quick, just move closer for a quick photo. Sharp. Come, just smile, just say IDL or what I can. Something that we...
A goodwill that Nigeria is going to be good. Yes, we can do it. We can make it. We have no other country than Nigeria. We are not going to move out of Nigeria to Ghana. We will remain here. And that is why I am telling all the traditional institutions in Nigeria to make use of this Commodore. It has worked for us in our domain, and it continue to work for us. We use it to appeal to our God, and it has been working, and I'm recommending it. And the festival we are going to do, starting from tomorrow, we are going to see a lot of these drinks, and it shall be blessed with anybody that will be making use of it. It is a good thing, whether it is the palm wine, whether it is the palm oil, whether it's the salt, we don't know. But this is the one we made in our forefathers, from our forefathers. And that is what I've been using. Commodore drinks is a recommended drink to appeal to our gods. It will work for us in Nigeria, and so shall it be. May God bless those that are using it. I'm recommending it with what I've seen today. They have purified it. They have made use of it to be very sweet, delicious, and I will continue to recommend it for everybody to use it to appeal to our gods.
I am the arrowhead of Niche Communications, the agency that is launching this brand on behalf of IDL.
Wow, you're the big boys that's behind the launching.
Well, we are the one that is privileged to do.
So Commodore Schnapps that we are launching today has been in the market before.
Yes.
Then a rebranding has come upon it.
Yes.
What do you think has changed in terms of rebranding to position it better in the market?
Well, everything has changed. You can see that the packaging is refreshed. It's a sign of quality, and it's a sign that in everything that we do, there must be top satisfaction in every sip of IDL. So the new Commodore aromatic Shinab is actually repackaged to meet that satisfaction level, that satisfaction taste.
Yeah, IDL as a company is about 40 years. In fact, it's exactly 40 years a bit.
Exactly 40 years.
Yes.
How's the journey been so far with the economy and everything?
Yeah, like every other business has been challenging, and IDL is a market leader in wines and spirit industry in Nigeria. And it has not been easy keeping our position, and we're happy that today we are still the leaders as far as the wines and spirit industry is concerned.
Okay, so Commodore has been in the market before, and then it is rebranded. What is different about Commodore Schnapps this time around?
Yeah, you can see for yourself that what you are seeing today is, if it's super packaging, it's an improvement over what we used to have in terms of content and the presentation. And you can see the faces of the distributors. They are very happy.
What should your consumers be expecting from you in the new business year that is coming?
We are always, we're a company that is involved in innovation. We are super good in innovation. We have product lines that are still, products are still in the pipeline. We have a lot of things that we will unveil in the next.
Thank you very much for speaking with us. Have a wonderful day. Yes, sir. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa á wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ pẹ̀lú àgbà òṣèré tíátà. Olólùfẹ́ yín àti olólùfẹ́ tiwa Yomi Fashlanso. Hey!
Àwọn pẹ̀tẹ̀ dóche, àbẹ̀bẹ̀ àwọn àgbà nìyẹn. Àwọn eléré pàmò àwọn àgbà ni àwọn àìṣẹ́ ń bọ̀ ni. Àwọn tó wá ṣe ìpele kejì sí wọn, ìpele kẹrin la jẹ́ sí wọn.
Àgbàlẹ̀ jẹ́ sírò àwọn kékeré báyìí.
Pẹ̀lẹ́ kí ni ẹ̀ ti dé sí ẹ? Ilẹ̀ ti ń ṣú díẹ̀ díẹ̀.
Ṣé dáadáa lẹ́wà sí? Gbogbo ẹ̀ máa jí pépé. Okay, all right.
Commodore original aromatic schnapps.
Okay. Ẹ̀yin ará lè ṣe tí ń gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
Èwo ló lè ṣe o?
Inú wa dùn láti.
Fún a fi ń ṣe àdúrà nìkan tí ẹ jẹ́ pé ìyẹn jẹ́ gbòógì tí ọ̀nà yẹn. O lè lò fún ayẹyẹ. Ẹ ń ṣe ọjọ́ ìbí, ẹ ń ṣèkómọ, ẹ ń ṣílé, ẹ kàn jókòó àpèjẹ ìwà àtàwọn ọ̀rẹ́. O lè fi ṣe nǹkan tó ń pè ní mixture. O lè mix pẹ̀lú orange juice, o lè mix pẹ̀lú ṣẹ́gẹ̀t. Ó ń lọ náà ni. Tó bá dàgbé bí o fẹ́ máa wo weight ẹ̀, o fẹ́ máa ṣọ́ weight ẹ̀, pé o fẹ́ lọ rọ̀bọ̀ jù. Eléyìí Commodore ni mo sọ fún ẹ o, Commodore original aromatic schnapps mo sọ mi sọ nǹkan mi o.
Commodore aromatic schnapps, we no get rival yo. I say Commodore aromatic schnapps.
All right, thank you very much. Please give me ushers, can you please discuss our baby face? You're welcome.
Commodore aromatic schnapps.
Immediately just be coming out. The senior management team be coming out, please, quickly, for pictures on stage. Quickly, senior management team, thank you. Quickly, quickly.
Kilarigbo TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.